What is up, guys? Hi, hello, it's Katelyn Rose. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first video of 2021. We are doing my winter makeup routine. This has been the makeup I've been wearing pretty much every day well, not every day. I don't wear makeup every day, but anytime I do wear makeup lately, this is the look that I've been going for. So this is just a bunch of my winter staples as far as makeup goes. You know, they say that there are no rules to makeup, but if you ask, a makeup artist or a makeup guru, they will definitely say there's some rules when it comes to makeup. But we are squashing all of that today and we are just having fun with this look. So if you want to know a little bit more about the primer and foundation I just applied, I did a little mini review of some of these products at the end of this video, so you can stay tuned for that. But I also applied the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I really like this concealer, but when I was editing this video, I noticed my under eyes still looked a little bit dark, and that could be because I filmed this video at like midnight and it was a little late and I was a little bit tired. But I do really like how this concealer applies, and I think it's really nice and has good coverage. And I just set my makeup with my favorite pressed powder of all time, the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance. And once my face was set, it was time to contour. So I'm taking this highlight and contour palette by IBY Beauty. And on a big fluffy brush, I'm using the warmest shade of bronzer and just lightly fluffing that into my contour areas, under the cheeks and under my chin and around my forehead, a little bit on my nose. And then I took a more dense flat brush and one of the deeper shades of contour and just applied that to basically the same areas, just a little bit more concentrated in the areas that I want more shadow. And then as I was grabbing another makeup brush, I hit my elbow on my desk really hard and it hurt a lot, as you can see from my face. But anyways, I just took the fluffy brush and just blended out that contour a little bit, and then went in with the powder brush and further blended. You want to make sure you're blending between pretty much every step in your makeup routine. This eyebrow pencil by NYX is a product that I always come back to. I personally prefer a thicker tip on my eyebrow pencils. I just don't need something super precise, and my eyebrows are pretty dark, so this pencil is just perfect for me. It's like my third or fourth time repurchasing this product. Now for eyeshadow, this palette is full of these gorgeous metallic colors, and this is the only palette we're going to be using on our eyes today, which yes, means that we're not going to be using any matte shades, which may sound a little bit crazy to some people, but I honestly love how this look turned out. For some reason, I've just been loving the look of an all shimmery metallic look on my eyes, so I'm just going in with the lighter gold bronze shade and taking that all over my lid. And I'm just using my fingers to apply this eyeshadow look, so it makes it super easy. You can of course use your eyeshadow brushes if that makes you more comfortable, but I just love the easiness and convenience of this eyeshadow look with only using my fingers. I did use a brush for a couple of the steps. Something really cool happens when you blend out these shades with the eyeshadow brush. It just turns into like this soft satin sort of shade, so it's not really metallic when you blend it out, but I just think it looks so gorgeous. It's definitely shimmery, but when it blends out, it just looks so pretty. So I use the champagne color to highlight my inner corners and under my brow bone. This look does look a little bit crazy at first, but I promise the eyeliner and lashes really add a lot to this look, so it really comes together in the end. Oh, and I also used that champagne color as my highlight today, so I'm just using it to highlight my nose as well. And then later on, I used it on a highlighting brush to highlight my cheekbones. So for eyeliner, I'm using the RollerLiner by Benefit. This is an amazing liquid eyeliner. It's seriously become my favorite ever. It's so black, so pigmented, and the tip really helps you get a nice sharp wing. I'm going to be using some false lashes today, but before that I like to apply a light coat of mascara, so I'm just using this one from Essence. It's the Lash Princess. Not a huge fan of this mascara, I have to be honest. It kind of feels like I'm using kids makeup. But for eyelashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies, a classic. I love these eyelashes. Once the lashes are on, I am going back to finish up the face, and I'm using this really light baby pink blush from this LORAC face palette. This is another product that I just cannot stay away from. I absolutely love this blush. It doesn't add too much color, but it adds a really natural, pretty flush to my cheeks, and I'm obsessed with it. And then, like I said, I went back into that metallic eyeshadow palette and used the champagne shade as my highlight, and I clearly really loved the way that it looked. I've been really into kind of experimenting with my highlights and using different types of products as my highlight shade. Now for lips, I'm using this adorable little lipstick from Essence. I forget the shade of this lipstick, but I will leave it down below, and I will list all of the products down below actually. So I applied that to my lips, and I kind of felt like this was a little bit too dark, although this is a winter look, and editing this video I actually did like how it looked. I kind of liked how dark it was, but in the moment I guess I wanted something a little more nude, so I took a little bit of concealer and just dotted that onto my lips and blended it out, and then I got a more nude shade. And now I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss, the Madison Beer x Morphe lip gloss in the shade Venus. This is my literal obsession right now. I love this gloss so much, and it's like the perfect nude shade for me. So that completes this look. I really hope you guys like it. Here is a look at the final product. Oh, nope, just kidding. Not the end of this look. I still have to set the makeup, and I'm using this finishing spray again from the Madison Beer x Morphe collaboration. I did a review on this at the end of this video. I really like this finishing spray. So pretty. And I was really feeling myself with the fanning myself. I felt like a model for a minute. But yeah, here's the final look at this makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could.
So I tested out this setting spray in my Madison Beer x Morphe collaboration review video, and I gave a first impressions on it, but I did get some questions asking if I had a chance to use this for a longer period of time and what my results were. So I would definitely say this does set your makeup in place. However, if you're going to be wearing it for a really long period of time, I have experienced some kind of stickiness, I guess, underneath my eye area. I don't know, I'll get like little mascara marks underneath my eye, and that has never happened to me before until I started using this setting spray. But I do also think it could be from wearing a mask. When I breathe into my mask, all the hot air kind of seeps up through my mask right here, kind of goes right up into my eye area. So I think that could also be the culprit. I don't know if you guys can see, but my under eye bags do get highlighted a little bit, and that's just because there's so much like shimmer in here. It makes you nice and glowy, but it does highlight my under eye bags just a little bit. If I get myself in the right lighting, you don't really notice it, but those are both sacrifices that I will make to get the effect that this setting spray gives me, because I love how glowy and youthful it makes me look. So if you guys are wondering about this palette, I am not sure if it's still available, but I will look it up for you. If I can find it, I will link it below. If not, I'll try and find something similar. But as you guys saw, I just used really simple shimmery metallic colors, so you will definitely definitely be able to find colors like this in other palettes. I just chose this one because I really like how metallic and shiny these shadows are. I just used the gold one, the bronze one, and then the light champagne one. Can definitely find those colors elsewhere, so if you can't get your hands on this palette specifically, no worries, just use whatever you have. So this combination right here is actually a sort of TikTok favorite. It's like a TikTok makeup hack. Apparently adding this Poreless Putty primer from e.l.f. and then adding the L'Oreal Infallible foundation on top is supposed to be like a miracle for your skin. Like, it just makes you look airbrushed and makes it look like you have a filter on without even really trying. And I have to say, I really do like this combination. It looks great, but I do only use this putty primer in the areas where I really have visible pores, so like around my T-zone area, my nose and chin and things like that. So you may want to use a different primer on the other areas of your face. TikTok has another winner with this makeup pack. These two are a great combination. This highlight and contour palette by IBY Beauty, when I first opened it, I thought I was going to hate it. These contour colors just looked like something I wasn't going to use. Like, as you can see in the pan, they kind of look really dull and just not very special. But once I actually use them on my face, I think that they work beautifully, and the tones of these shades look gorgeous. So this palette definitely looks like it's kind of nothing special, but on the face it actually is really beautiful. So I've really been enjoying this highlight and contour palette. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my winter everyday makeup routine. This has been really fun, and I love this look. I've seriously been wearing it so much, pretty much every time I put on makeup recently, so it was really fun to share it with you. I love all of these products, and everything is pretty affordable. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, I would love to hear them, so just leave a comment below. I am sending love to every single one of you who watched this video. Thank you so much for joining me. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos. It would mean the world to me. And I think that's gonna be it for today's video. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with